Morris. Morris angen y cymorth. Yna James Owen. Burns. Wild i Cei Connah. Ac Sean Smith dan bwysau fan hyn gan Insel! Yn cam amseru'r dacl. Mi oedd Mr Jenkins y dyfarnwr o fewn dim i'r digwyddiad ac yn pwyntio'r syth at y smotyn. Insel yn cael ei lorio gan Sean Smith. Rwan, Callum Morris i herio Tibet. Golwr yn mynd y ffordd anghywir. 12 munud o rownd gynderfynol wedi chwarae a'r tîm cartre ar y blaen. Callum Morris yn rhwydo'r smotyn. Tibet i gyfeiriad Venables. Venables ben efo Horan yn gry yn dibeniad yn cael ei ddwyn gan Leslie o bell! O! Steve Leslie bron a chanfod cefn y rwyd. Chwip o ergyd, heibio i bras. Dyna'n ffodus i'r Bala, heibio'r postyn. Kieran Smith a'r cliriad nôl at Danny Holmes. Holmes pwysau'r amddiffyn i fynd dŵl at Declan Poole ac yna Mike Wild. 2 funud o'r hanner cynta yn weddill. Cei Connah'n dyblu'r fantais. Smonach amddiffynol a Mike Wild. Yr arsgoriwr yn manteisio. Cei Connah 2, y Bala dim. Jones a Leslie yn ei gadael i Leslie! Oh, mor agos. Symudiad wedi ymarfer. Jones yn ei gwiro hi i lwybr Leslie. Tibet. Yn gofyn yn fan yna, ond Horan a'i lygad ar y bel. A Steve Leslie. Lee Molyneux hefo, dyma Molyneux. Robles yn troi. Louis Robles! O'n taro'r trawst, a dyna'r gosam ar Bala wedi dod. Oh, Molyneux yn codi'r bel. At Robles yn troi. Ond i ergyd, gwir o nôl, oddi ar y trawst. Molyneux. Mlaen gan Poole, spicli fewn o'n Daniels Callum Morris, ond dwi'n y gyfle fan hyn. Samar yn dŵl ar ergyd. O'na ddim yn bell gan Samar yn dŵl. Burns yn ôl i gyfeiriad Hayes. A mae yna Stewart Jones. A chyfle i Nathan Wolff i chlirio hi. Cwpan yng ngheg Mr Jenkins, y fuddugoliaeth i'r tîm cartra. Cei Connah 2, y Bala dim. Cei Connah felly drwad i rownd derfynol. Cwpan Nathaniel MG.
It was a fantastic cup tie, you know, nose to nose, head to head. Everybody was at it. You know, nobody pulled out of anything. And you know, fortunately for us tonight, I thought everything went our way a little bit. You know, we scored at good times, and you know, and it was probably. It's the right result, but you know, those key moments when it's the margins just so fine in our games against Bala, it went our way tonight.
You know, it's a really good showing. Last season we come here and we were never in the game, and you know, they were putting balls onto us, whereas we've just you know, been putting balls onto them. They were reacting to us, and you know, it's a really good showing. We were miles away from them last season, but it's no good me saying that we're competing with a really good team when we lose 2-0. You know, we've got to be better. Like I say, the question mark with the penalty changes the game, and then the second goal's poor.
Dwi'n meddwl hwn di pedwerydd ffeinal i ni fod fewn yn y 2 flwyddyn dwytha. Hynna da ni eisiau gwneud yn y clwb yma, so da ni wedi achieve eto. Tymor dwytha, yn semi-ffeinal a colli, a tymor cynt, dwi'n meddwl, wneud yr un peth, so i cyrraedd oedd o'n special iddyn ni.
Now last season, your beloved Manchester City, they won the treble. Now your beloved Connah's Quay are on course for the treble this season.
We're a long way off. We haven't played the first game of the Welsh Cup yet, but it's just nice. And as I've just said to the players, you know, the identity of the football club over the last 4 years is to win and be successful, and it's ingrained in our club now, in the DNA of this club. We win games of football, and if we don't, there's massive questions asked about us. That's coming from our chairman, who's filtered that down to me. You know, it's expected to win everything and win games of football, and I put that onto the the players, that's been in me all my life. You know, I need to win games of football. I need to find a way to be successful, and you know, I think that's our fourth final in just over 18 months. So speaks massive volumes about this football club, and I'm proud again to go and play against a team now who have knocked out 2 Welsh Premier League teams. So you know, we'll make sure we get to see them a few times, and our work will be meticulous as it always is. Our preparation will be spot on, and we'll be ready for a final against a team that have shown they can take the scalps of Welsh teams.